Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a underwear subscription to unbox for you, and it is Empress Mimi, and I've got their queen box, and this is what it looks like. I'll open it up in a minute and show you what's inside. But if you're new to Empress Mimi and you're just curious in seeing what I received inside their queen box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Empress Mimi is a UK-based lingerie subscription box. They do ship worldwide. Shipping within the UK is free, but shipping to the rest of the world it is calculated at checkout. So they describe their boxes as luxurious and playful, and you get to choose between 3 different subscriptions. So you've got the House of Frillies, which is a knickers subscription that costs £14.95 a month, and you get a pair of surprise underwear, either briefs, thongs or lacy knickers. Then you've got the queen box, which is what I've got. So in the box you get a full set, so you get a bra and you get a pair of knickers as well, and that costs £39.95 a month. You may also have matching sets of bodysuits and negligees in the queen box as well. Then you've got the super duper box. You have got the Empress box, and that costs £119.95 a month. In there contains a matching set of underwear, plus you might get a negligee, you might get jewellery, and you might get some fun accessories like tassels and whips and things like that as well. They offer a monthly subscription, or you can pause your subscription and you can cancel any time. What I really like about the subscription is that they offer a refund and exchange policy. If an item that you receive does not fit you or you don't like it, you have got the option to send it back and request a refund or an exchange. Now, as far as sizing is concerned, they start from UK size 4 to 6, which is extra small, and then it goes up to extra large, which is a UK size 16 to 18. So I'm around a size 16. Sometimes I can fit into 14 clothes, sometimes I fit into 18 clothes. So I'm roughly about a size 16, so I opt for a extra large, which is a 14 to 16, and the items that I've received over the last couple of months have fitted me perfectly, really well. They sell all their products on their website, as well as other lingerie pieces as well, and by taking out a subscription you can save up to about 50% off the actual cost of the price. I would love to see Empress Mimi introduce larger sizes. I think there's a lot of people out there that would really love to have this subscription, and yeah, they're missing a thing there, which is unfortunate. So maybe in the future, hopefully they'll introduce a few more extra sizes so that it's open to more people. But this box is kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I initially subscribed a couple of months ago. Empress Mimi saw my video and then contacted me, and then they offered to send me some boxes now and again. So I've been really fortunate and I'm really grateful. So thank you, Empress Mimi, for sending these items, because they're a little bit out of my comfort zone. I'm normally a plain, boring underwear wearing person. I like to dress extravagant on the outside, lots of jewellery, lots of makeup. Don't care if I look a bit weird or not, I don't care. But as far as underwear is concerned, it's usually quite boring. So I am loving this subscription, absolutely loving it. I'll have a look online to see if I can find any discount codes, because when I first signed up a couple of months ago, I managed to find a 40% off your first box, which is one of the reasons that I went to subscribe to it. So if I can find that again or something similar, I'll pop it down below. So underneath this video you see show more, click that. That will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's open this up and show you what I got inside. I have had a look, I couldn't resist. It is so pretty, it is so pretty. I have to tell you though that I don't do try-ons on my channel. I would do clothes try-ons, but not underwear. I don't think my children would forgive me. They'd be mortified. So unfortunately you won't be seeing me trying these on, but I will pop up a picture of a model wearing it on the website if I can find one, so that you have an idea of what it looks like actually on someone. So this is what it looks like inside. So we've got a little card and some leaflets which I'll go through, and this is my set. Look at it. So I got a bra and a knicker set there, which I'll show you properly now. But it's so pretty, and the colour is like a salmon sort of pink colour. The name of this month's box is La Vie en Rose. Dear Empress, we know how hectic life can get. You're balancing everything from a career and friendships to keeping up with 24-hour news cycle and social media. Our new La Vie en Rose box is an ode to looking at life through rose-tinted glasses and taking moments out of your day to simply stop and appreciate all the beauty in your life. Put this pretty set on first thing in the morning and let its understated yet sultry elegance remind remind you to take a break during your no doubt busy day to stop and smell the roses. Love from Empress Mimi. The blush pink silk satin cups and briefs feature pretty French lace across the décolletage, edges and hems. The bra's adjustable straps meet strikingly at the back and add a modern twist to this vintage inspired design. Stylish and comfortable enough for every day, a match made in rose heaven. Haven't tried them on yet. I just received this morning and I had to open it up. It is so pretty, really pretty. So this is the bralette. You can see really pretty cups, really lovely cups. And then you've got a little panel underneath. So it's quite low cut there. But yeah, no, really nice. They've got a little pouch in there, so I assume you can put, like, if you've got any pads, you can pop some pads in there to pad it out a little bit if you want to. Straps are adjustable, and the back, come on, let's do it up and show you. So again, fully adjustable, so that you've got all that there to play around with. But yeah, no, that is really pretty. So there's the bra top, and then the knickers. Exactly the same design, really pretty, sort of like a salmon pink sort of satin with like an ivory or white sort of lace detailing. Really pretty there. Full brief. At the back, cover your bottom, but you've got like spaghetti straps on the sides there, so you've got two little straps at the side. Again, fully adjustable. I can make these sides a lot bigger, or I can tighten it up a bit to there. I think, in all fairness, this has to be the prettiest set I've received so far. I just think it's so feminine and so pretty. It is just beautiful. Really pretty. So yeah, so I've got the Queen box. I know you can't really see much here, which is a bra and knicker set. This costs £39.95 a month, and you can cancel any time. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If I can find out any discounts, as I said, I'll pop them down below. But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the subscription? As always, I'd love to know all your thoughts and opinions, regardless of what they are, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.